write x squared minus 6 root 2x minus 5 in the form x plus p all squared plus q. So this is like completing the square. So you've got x squared minus 6 root 2x minus 5. So like we done before, we look at this and we take half. So if we take half, that will become x. We've got a minus sign there, so we could keep a minus sign there. Half of 6 is 3, and we'll just write that as now as 3 root 2 all squared. So we'll write that as x minus 3 root 2 all squared. We've still got the minus 5. Now in doing this process, we have added in something, and we have added in minus 3 root 2 all squared. So minus 3 squared gives me 9, and root 2 squared. So if you square a number and square root it, you get back to what you started with. So that will be 2, and 9 times 2 is 18. And therefore, if we've added 18 here, we need to take away 18. So the final answer will be x minus 3 root 2 all squared. Minus 5 minus 18 is minus 23. So we now have that in the format of x plus p all squared plus q, where p is minus 3 root 2 and q is minus 23. So this has been a video to show you how to complete the square where one of the coefficients is a third. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.